Good evening, friends. Today I would like to talk about this character called Amelia Fart. She's this Canadian performance artist, a YouTuber, who keeps uploading about her quirky lifestyle, random vlogs, like ordering McDonald's directly to the bathtub, or ordering Burger King in the graveyard at 3 a.m., or applying blue dye in public places like supermarket, subway, or in a train, in like anywhere, any and anywhere, a playground. Absolutely acting very quirky. She's like 93 kgs. So she wears all these kind of gown kind of a thing, and some kind of a scarf just covering her neck. Uh, you won't believe that she has got around almost 800,000 subscribers on YouTube alone. Okay, and she has these quirky, very weird, creepy kind of statements like, I feel like I fantasize having sex with my father every month. Somebody fingered me when I was hiking when I was 14 years old. Like, she keeps revealing her secrets, the so-called secrets. Either they are fabricated or some fictitious stories, we don't know. But the kind of crazy behavior she has, and moreover, she had a steady boyfriend for 5 years. Then they have broken up, and now she's a gay, like she's a lesbian. She goes around kissing women and dating women. So her thumbnails will always see she's kissing women and dating women. That also, she'll be having a date in a graveyard, and she'll be sitting down with that female, and they'll be having some sort of a picnic, or she'll be sitting in the bathtub, and some painting on top of a painting, she'll be having chips or some sort of a pizza. Then she'll be carrying this inflatable pizza and walking around the street. And she has got this quirky, crazy kind of a makeup, like, very weird kind of makeup. And she'll be talking about all these, oh, my best friend Kylie Jenner, and it will be a squirrel. Like, absolutely acting like a nutcase. But people find her, oh, you're my princess, you're my goddess, you're my spirit animal, you have the freedom to behave the way you want, you're such a kind soul, you're such a wonderful person. Yes, my dear friends, that wonderful person is tied up with Uber, and you'll get 10% off if you're using her code. You'll get 10% off if you're ordering on Uber Eats. She's tied up with Better Health, that is for mental health, on online site, where there are different types of psychologists, psychotherapists, and psychiatrists. So she's tied up with all these people. And imagine if you're really a mental case. Okay, if she even films her meltdowns and breakdowns, I think if you're having a psychotic breakdown, will you go around filming yourself, or are you in the state of mind to film yourself? And she'll do this clucking sound all the time. Oh, I'm going to the supermarket. Okay, no problem. But people find this cute. She's 31 years old, for say 31-year-old woman. Okay, and her mother actually goes around filming her in some things, and oh, mom, do you love me? Yes, I love you the way you are. ये क्या चल रहा है? What is happening? Are we normalizing mental behavior, quirky behavior? As I said, LGBT agenda has been pushed, and she's the face for it. Imagine openly, like, okay, you're dating females is one thing, but your thumbnail is like smooching females and all this. What kind of a value entertainment is there, and people are huge fans of this. I've seen every critic video of her. Oh, she's weird, but I kind of like her. She's kind of freedom to express herself. Oh, she was molested. Oh, she has problems, but she's a beautiful person. Yeah, she was looking good once upon a time, but now with all that kind of weird behavior and hairstyle and makeup, she has got green hair. Okay, then she dyes it blue, that artificial blue somewhere. This is madness. This is stupidity. But I have seen people like only speaking good things. Oh, she's got the freedom to express herself. I mean, this is unnecessary. This is unwanted to behave idiotic. Like, why the hell do you need to sit on the in the bathtub and eat your chips where there is a commode nearby? And she goes, oh, I don't own any underwear. Fair enough. What about your periods then? How do you manage them? Unless and until you are must be not having any periods or something of that sort. I can't imagine every critic video is also saying good things about her. No, she's a gentle soul. She is there is a divine connection, higher purpose. There is music in her thoughts, and her videos are done very tastefully, in the sense there is music and there is editing, and she goes rambling around like she's preparing some fish in some library, like anything, like pushing the boundaries, like which normal people will not do it, she is doing it, so she comes like this hero kind of a thing. But why do you need to do all those things in the first place? If you're mentally ill, you'll be taking medications for it, you'll be taking therapy for it. Jabki in places like Canada and US and all these European countries, Australia, New Zealand, the mental health is given the first priority. Like, these people are there's a lot of kid glow babysitting happening for these kind of people. I said, ये इंडिया में होती उसको पागल खाने में भेज देते. If she were to act weird here, तो she would be molested big time, maybe gang raped. Really, if she were to do all these crazy things in Asian countries. I'm not wishing all these things or saying these things because there is hatred, but I'm like, this is inspiring people to do madness and get away with it, all in the name of performance or getting some sympathy for a mental disorder. She's making money. She is funded maybe by some agency which we don't know, who are pushing certain agendas like mental illness, LGBT, stupidity, heaven knows. Imagine she's making money out of it. Her net worth is around 200,000 plus. This is just on paper. Like, I'm stuck up on a balcony and she's having this Pepsi in hand and I don't know whether I'll survive. I was shitting in my cat litter for 10 days because my landlord was doing up my bathroom. These are the kind of statements this lady does, and everybody's a huge fan of this. Like, I'm giving a blowjob to when she was 16 years old on her friend's yacht, and other friends are watching her. What is this? What is this? This kind of an ostentatious sexual, everything is sexualized, everything is normalized, all in the sense because she behaves weird. This is a straight message to Emilia. Like, she's changed her name to Fart to make it more quirky and fun and relatable and day to day, like, oh, it's so chilled and cool. I would say, stop fooling people. It's affecting her, and she had taken a 1-year break from her YouTube because it's just too much for her to handle this. And she's back again doing the same nonsense. Please, people, just don't get carried away because 10,000 of them are commenting saying, oh, such a kind soul, such a unique person. No. See through the charade, see through the pretense, see through the fakery of it. It's all a charade. It's all nonsense. That's all I wanted to say, that people have lost their minds these days. that the more nutcase you behave, the more views you get. You'll even be getting an award from somewhere. People are going to celebrate you. You become a national hero. She's a national heroine in Canada, I guess. Women, I want you to comment specially. What do you feel about this particular creature? Weird, stupid, foolish? Please let me know. Share your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching my content.